Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a load screen for your custom map in COD4. First, open up any image editing program. I use Photoshop, or you can use Paint.net. Pretty much any program that allows you to save out DDS file or target files. First, start a new image. The file dimensions need to be 1024 by 1024 pixels. Get a good resolution of 300. Next, you need to find an image. You can use an image offline, or what I like to do is grab an image from in-game, a screenshot. Since we're using Photoshop, hit Control A, selects everything, Control C, Control V pastes it. From here, hit Control T, brings up the transform window, hold Shift, left mouse, click and drag until it snaps. Same thing over here. Click and drag until it snaps. Once that's lined up, hit Control Enter, exit out the transform window. Now let's save the file. Go to File, Save As. Like I said, if you save it as a DDS or a target file. If you do use Photoshop and DDS, you have to download the DDS plugin. It's free online. This is the most important part when you're saving your file. The file name needs to be Loadscreen _ your map name. The alpha channel doesn't matter since there isn't one, so just click Save. Alright, now we got to import our image into Radiant Tool. So we can close out Photoshop, click Save if you didn't. If this is your first time creating a load screen minimap, or if you've never created a custom texture before, you'll have to create this folder. Go to your COD4 directory and just create this folder. I call it texture assets, but it can be named whatever you want. In this folder will be all your custom textures, your minimaps, and load screens. Alright, once this folder is created, go to where you saved your DDS file, your load screen map, copy it, and paste it into your texture assets folder, or whatever you just named it. Launch Compile Tool now. Once your compile tool launches, go to Launch Asset Manager. From here you need to create a file. The file you need to create is called Compass. I'll show you how. Go to Materials, click File, Save As, go to your COD4 directory, scroll down to Source _ data, and create this file called Compass. This Compass file you create will hold all your minimaps and load screens. So click on Material, click on New, and this new entry needs to be what your file name is, Loadscreen _ your map name. Alright, now we need to click the material type. We don't need this. All this information is for custom textures. We need to go to 2D. Default's fine. Surface type needs to be set to none. Back is fine. None. Everything else is good. Go to your color map. This will be blank. Hit the 3 dots. Go to your directory. Scroll down to your texture assets, or whatever you just named it, and look for your DDS or target file. Mine's Loadscreen _ my map name. Alright, now you just gotta go to PC Convert and convert asset only, or you can hit F10. If you get these blue, light blue markings, everything works. If you get yellow or red, something went wrong. The next step is we gotta open up our level. So go to File, Open, go to your COD4 directory, go to Source Data. This file will be already created, so just click on it. From here, you gotta make sure this is set to level. What you can do is just go to np _ test and hit copy. Once you do that, the copy entry needs to be your map name. So mine's np _ dragon MB v2. From there, this spot needs to be np / and your map name. Down here needs to be what your file is called, your load screen file, your DDS or target file. So mine's Loadscreen _ np FNRP dragon MBV2. Once that's done, you can go to PC Convert, convert all assets, or hit F10. But like I said, if you get the blue, everything works. Yellow or red, you'll have to do it again. Now we're going to take our Iwd file, put it in our Iwd. So go open up your COD4 directory, go to raw, images, and look for your load screen map name, Iwd file. From there you can copy it to the desktop, and now you need to create an Iwd file. To do that, if you've ever downloaded a custom map before, a lot of them have custom textures which have Iwd files in it. So go to your COD4 directory, go to user maps. For example, this one has an Iwd. Like I said, a bunch of them will. Just grab an Iwd file and paste it to your desktop. Alright, rename the file to your map name. Alright, now you gotta open up the Iwd file. To do that, you can use WinRAR, or this program that I like is called Packscape. It's free online. Drag and drop. The only folder you need in here is called images. You can delete everything else. Open up the image folder and delete what's in there. Since I already created an Iwd file for my minimap and custom textures, I'm going to use that one. So click on images, go to where you saved your Iwd file, your load screen map name Iwd, drag and drop, and just go file save. Alright, almost done. Now we got to update the zone. So open up the compile tool, go to level compiling, go to your map name, and go to update zone. Here you're going to have to type material, comma, and your file name, load screen, your map name. Once that's done, hit save, and build your fast file. Once that's done, now you need to create this folder. You got to create your folder, your map name. In this folder will go your fast files, loadff and ff, and your Iwd file. So wherever you got your Iwd, if it's on your desktop, drag that into this folder. Now we got to grab our loadff and ff file. Go to your COD4 directory, scroll down to zone, click on English, and look for your map name loadff and ff file. Copy and paste into that folder. Once that's done, go to your directory, go to user maps, and now take your folder, your map name folder, and copy it into there. Let's close everything out. Start your game. Go to mod warfare. Hit the tilde key. Bring up the command console. That's the key next to your 1. / your map name. And once it starts, you have now created yourself a load screen.